Para bibi.
Another stopover
Siyempre, gutom.
because
Gutom ang mga person.
she wants to try the
We try
Lokay Mat.
Flavor of my Lokay Mat is pistachio and
Choco and the
Nutella. Sorry naman mabagal.
It's
Yan na,
okay.
magic!
Ooh.
Katingin
Yeah,
mo.
you try it.
Wait lang. Kaya mahirap pala pag isa lang ang kamay. Just a minute.
Tapos hindi naka-press, no?
Wow! Uy! Wala yung kape. Yan, this one.
Is it good?
Sarap, crunchy.
Rate,
Let me
rate.
try the condensed.
Pero hindi siya mukhang condense, parang mocha. How is it? Is it mocha or what?
Parang ganun nga, hindi siya condensed no?
I told you.
Pagtingin si brother, mabunggo ka pa eh.
Sabi niya, itong dalawa na to,
Tumatawa siya sa atin.
nagbablog pa sila.
And this is the Nutella. Lokay Mat.
Alam nilang nagbablog tayo kasi ano eh, may phone.
Wow.
Superb.
It's 10 over 10.
Which is the best?
Of course, pistachio. You know me. Anything with pistachio, 100% my favorite. Daddy siya, Mitch. Masarap siya.
Yummy.
Ito, subukan mo na. Eh, kaso pala wala ka pa manusok dito.
Wag na, mamaya na lang.
Hindi, dapat makatry ka.
Iyan ko na to Stop ko na.
Oo.